Spectrum modem and router connectivity problems often stem from two main issues: provisioning and cable problems. Provisioning is the process of activating your modem or router with Spectrum's network, allowing it to authenticate and receive an IP address. A failure here results in a no internet light or unable to obtain IP errors. Let's look closer at provisioning. This activation process ensures your device can connect to Spectrum's servers and get online. Now, cables are the physical connection for data. Issues with coaxial cables, Ethernet cables, or power cables can cause disruptions. Check your network setup to ensure proper connections between modem, router, and devices. Make sure all cables are securely connected to avoid loose or damaged connections that can disrupt your service. Begin troubleshooting by power cycling your equipment. Unplug the modem and router, wait 2 to 5 minutes, then plug the modem back in first, waiting for it to fully power on before plugging in the router. Check your coaxial cable for signal strength. The ideal range is -15 to +15 dBm EV, accessible through the modem's diagnostic page at 192.168.100.1. If the signal is out of range, check for splitters, loose connections, or damaged cables. If issues persist, use the Spectrum app to attempt reprovisioning. The app can diagnose and resolve many common issues automatically. For persistent problems, contact Spectrum support for further assistance.